Say hi. Everybody say hello.
Hello. Hi vlog.
Hey vlog. Wait, no, it'd be a vlog if I just went ahead and Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. This is David's vlog.
You got the hat.
We're just kind of vlogging here. They kicked us out of Walmart after we tried to set firecrackers in the pickle jars.
And then we tried to build a toilet paper fort. That didn't go well.
No sir.
Didn't. Got caught.
Yeah, they finally found us.
Yeah, and we were deceased. I don't know, man. They just didn't like us very much. But
Kind of nice.
it is what it is. Yeah, it's not really fair, man.
Maybe Karens.
Bless you.
Somebody sneezed.
Hey vlog, what's up? Say hi to the vlog.
What's up, Danny DeVito?
What's up, squad?
Danny Burrito.
We're gonna get copyrighted.
2, 1. Woo! Hello and welcome to Cora's Chef Cooking Show. Hello, Timothy Fernando.
Goodbye, D.
Goodbye. Timothy! Luke Salzman.
I want to take a hat. Can I, no. Can I take a hat?
Attack. We need to brutally murder each one in a different way.
Jason, get the axe.
Put it, wait, tape it to the ground, tape it to the ground, tape it to the ground. There's one. We have to get Garvey and brutally murder him too.
I don't think that's what happened.
Just crushed him with your feet in your sleep.
Dude, the comb over. It literally stayed perfectly.
I like how it just, shrunk perfectly.
Bye, Davis.
Wait, can I just get a video?
Just take a knife to him.
Okay, just go ahead. Goodbye, Reagan. Oh shit.
Oh my god. Just deflate, just heard it deflate.
Do you have any last words for Adam?
Fortnite.
Fortnite. Are we ready?
Adam, no.
No, there is. No, Adam. No, speak to me. Say something.
Hey, Dad.
Say something. Say something. Say something.
Stop slapping him. It'll
Say
kill
something.
him.
Say
Take that
something.
kind of pressure right now.
Say something.
No.
Hey, it's okay.